Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell next to it so you're always notified when I upload a video, which is quite often. So thanks for watching. Enjoy. Hey, welcome to Whatever It Makes. So today we're having chicken Parmesan. I'm super excited. I've been craving it, but this is only like my second time fixing it, and it smells pretty good. So let's see what it looks like. Here we go. And I did not use spaghetti noodles. I used penne rigate. Oh my goodness, look at that. What? Oh my goodness, y'all. That looks amazing. Look at this. So how are y'all spending your Wednesday? Is today Wednesday? Yeah, today's Wednesday. What day is it, y'all? I can't keep up. So anyway, let me know what y'all are having. And oh my goodness, I cannot wait to eat this. It looks so good. So I hope y'all are having a good day. God bless.